Today I'm going to share with you two versions of my favorite dink drill. One for those of you just starting out or looking to improve your consistency, and a second for those masters at the net. What can you do to create an attackable shot? Stay tuned. Hey everybody, it's CJ Johnson. If you're new to this channel, welcome. We're going to talk about all things pickleball on this channel, from paddles and equipment to skills and drills to how to stay fit so that you can spend more time out on the pickleball court. If you haven't already done so, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and then click on the bell notification so that you know every time I post a new video. The first version of my favorite pickleball dink drill is just simply a pickleball game played with the kitchen line as the baseline. Play begins at 0-0-2 with the player serving cross court and the ball landing inside of the kitchen. Play continues until the team either wins the point or loses their serve. All pickleball rules apply. The only difference is the non-volley zone line is the baseline. If you're just starting to play the game, chances are you're not getting a lot of long dink rallies at the kitchen line. This is a great way to develop some consistency and touch while you're at the non-volley zone. There's a variety of things that you can practice at the non-volley zone. Your footwork, your paddle and your ready position, how and where you move the dink, the trajectory of the dink. The sky is really the limit. Pick one thing, whatever it is that you want to work on for that day, and work on that through the whole entire game. It won't be long before you see your dink consistency improving. The second version of this game is just slightly more advanced. Play starts in the exact same manner, just like it would in a normal pickleball game. You serve cross court, and the first 3 shots must stay inside the kitchen. After the first 3 shots, you play the rest of this as you would a normal pickleball point. This gives you a chance to practice a lot of different things. Pick the area that you need to work on the most. Perhaps you're not as patient as you should be at the kitchen line. Maybe you need to learn how to throw in a lob to get the players to run back from the kitchen line. Maybe you're attacking things that are just too low behind the net. Perhaps you don't move the dink around enough. You get very comfortable doing cross court or down the line that you fail to create separation on the other side. The sky is really the limit. Look at your pickleball game, decide what you could improve on, and practice those tactics during this drill. That will give you more confidence to take this into a regular pickleball game. I'd love to know what type of drills you do to improve your consistency at the non-volley zone. Make sure and put it in the comments down below. If you got value from this video, if you wouldn't mind giving a thumbs up or share it with your pickleball playing friends, because together we can train smart, live bold, and age well.